Yo, what's up? It's as promised, my next video is just talking about where I am and how I've ended up here. So I am in Yangon now. I actually took a flight, I left Bangkok eventually and made it to Yangon, and I'm now in my apartment. So I'm just gonna walk around where I'm gonna be living just to give you guys an idea of me, an idea of what a typical flat apartment looks like in Yangon. So here we go. So as we walk through the front door, they've kindly provided me with a TV, which I'll probably never use, and some chairs and table and all that. It's pretty spacious. Tons of like room in here, it's massive. And then we've got aircon in every room. I'll try and leave that off because of how much it'll cost and stuff. Then we come through to here, we've got a long corridor. And this door will always be shut because it's my bedroom, because the mosquitoes are horrible and I've been getting bitten so badly. So I'll try and keep this locked off until I need to actually go in here. And then we've got a table full of stuff, random stuff. Again, aircon. I'll try to use this down here to stop the mosquitoes. It's like a little fume thing. I don't know how much it actually works though. And then we've got my bed, more wires and stuff over there, my wardrobe, an ironing board, which again, probably never get used. Then when we come out, we carry on down. We've got kitchen with a washing machine for your clothes, and then your fridge with all the important stuff in, like pasta sauce and water. You don't need anything else. If anyone tells you any different, they're wrong. Then we've got this thing, which I figured out how to work yesterday, which is like a weird hob thing. Then a kettle, never be used, sink, and then all the stuff that I don't need. Then we've got bathroom, with just a toilet, and then we've got my shower room thing. This is a bit like ratchet if I turn this light on. It's a bit like grubby and stuff. I don't even know what that is, some water tank or something. If we wander back over here, so now we're back in the living room. If we open this door, we get, shit's wet. We get a view of outside and what we're looking at. Hopefully that isn't too bright. You can see a bunch of stuff really flat. That's what the typical outside looks like as well over there. This is my main street. I think I'm 3 stories up. And then another thing which is typical is this. So we have this one here for the water, which I always keep down, and then I just have no water basically until I want to use it, and I flick it up and then it works. So yeah, that's it for my house door at the moment. That's what it looks like right now. Pretty much just moved in. But really quickly I'll show you what the school bought me, which is absolutely awesome. They bought me a little pack or something. What a wonderful greeting to have. Not only was I hand-driven and everything to my apartment, which was super cool, but they bought me some Pringles, some poochie. Actually, you know what, let's open it. We got special cake and bread, a coffee mix. I don't drink coffee, but you know, it's a thought that counts. More bread, bread's always good. This looks interesting. What is this? Tea. I don't drink tea, but you know. No, that looks dangerous. And of course my Pringles. And they also bought me a huge pack of water. So thank you very much, Myanmar International School. And then I'll just show you all also. I went to the school last week. This is coming a bit late, but so I'll show you all my classroom, what it looks like, and where I'm going to be spending most of my time. So this is my first view of the class. This is where I'll be teaching. Now I've just got to figure out how to organise it. What I won't wear. This is a normal school. Alright, we just got finished with designing the class. Nice and simple. just in pairs, all across rows. There's only 18 out at the moment, and I need 20 because there's going to be a maximum of 20 kids in the class. I think I'm just going to put the last two maybe here, facing across. I'm not sure. I'll see. But for now, this is it. This is going to be where I'm spending most of my time over the next year. Yeah, so I'm going to walk down the street in a minute. So I'll catch you guys in a second and I'll talk about my first impressions of Yangon and what I think of the place. Cool. Alright, just heading out now, getting the lift down. I used to be scared of lifts. But yeah, so in typical Yangon outfit, shorts, flip-flops, because it's going to be raining, hat, and the most important thing so far, umbrella. Never go anywhere without your umbrella. It looks good, it looks fine, it's not fine, 100% not fine. So, catch you guys at the bottom. We're on the 3rd floor now, down to the 1st we go. Yo, so we're just in a taxi now going to Myanmar Plaza, and thought it'd be a good opportunity to say my first thoughts on Yangon. So the first thing, quite obviously, you might be able to hear it, is that it rains all the time. So if you go to other Southeast Asian countries for monsoon season, it rains like for 10 minutes, and that's it. Over here, it rains all the time, all the time. So it's just a typical moment, pouring down with rain. Yeah, we'll do this for the next month and a half, I think, at least till September, and then hopefully it gets super hot, but until then, yeah, it's gonna be rough. And then also, oh, it's okay, thank you. And the driver's been really nice and turning down the music for me. This is the second thing, everyone here is really nice, so everybody's super friendly and always helps out. It's the most livable place in Asia I've been to so far, because of how everybody is, the people, they're really nice. Third thing is traffic is really good right now, but that's because it's earlier on in the day. Traffic here is really bad. It takes us like 45 minutes to get to school, and school's like 4 kilometers away, so like 2 and a bit miles. Yeah, but apart from that and the rain, this is all an awesome place. The buildings, everything looks really cool. It looks like it's untouched Asia, I'd say, which is really good, and I really like it so far. So I'm just gonna go to the Myanmar Plaza and get some things for my house, and then I'm not sure what I'll do after that. I'll probably have like a wrap-up video after. I might record a few things, but yeah, this is basically just my first impressions of Myanmar, what I'm doing and what it's going to be like. But if I see something cool, then I'll record it, but if not, then I'll catch you guys later on. Peace. Yo guys, what's going on? I found the smallest break in the rain so far, just to talk about what I've been doing. So I went to the plaza, went shopping, it's gone really dark, bought a bunch of stuff for my home. So I got like bed sheets, towels, all that sort of stuff. And then we've just been to the Ocean Shopping Centre and got some more. We got some school stuff. So we got like whiteboard pens, rulers, stuff like that. And then got some food as well, just on the way back now. But you can see, like, it's really easy to pick stuff up around here. There's no issues with buying items that you think you won't be able to get. They got big stores everywhere, loads of places to get stuff. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get back home. Cool. Just still on the way home, but you can notice there's like, this is basically everywhere. That's like a good 3 inches of water. That's just everywhere now because of all the rain. But this is my walk back. I think this might be too bright to see. I need to change the settings, but it's quite nice, you know. Get to see a bit of Yangon. But before I leave everyone, I just want to put in a clip of a typical moment in the mall. And I think there was a meet and greet going on. Don't know who the guy was, but all the little girls, they all loved him. Probably some singer in Myanmar or something. So yeah, roll that. So yeah, anyway, we'll catch you back at home maybe. Peace. Yo guys, what's going on? I'm back at home now, so all done for the day. The only thing that I might do is might go for a run when it gets a bit cooler, but I'll see, probably not, I'm just saying that. But yeah, that's gonna do it for today. So we went to the mall, we got loads of supplies, we did our house tour, and just got a feel for the main 3 things that I like about Yangon. So the people, super nice. Not the 3 things that I like, but the 3 things that I noticed. People super nice, weather really bad, traffic really bad. But awesome place to be. So yeah, that'll do it for today. I'll catch everyone on the rest. Have awesome days. Peace out.